In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a lazy strategy that can easily make you $100 upwards per day. Yes, that's an extra $3,000 every single month from the comfort of your own home with no website, no following, and most importantly, no money up front. By the end of this video, you're going to have my exact step-by-step strategy and a free copy and paste funnel that's been built by expert designers to help you get your first commission by the end of the week. In short, what we're going to be doing is creating AI-generated blog articles that have our custom affiliate links in them, and then we're going to be posting them to a website that already has a ton of organic traffic. Now, what that means for those of you who don't know much about affiliate marketing is that you're going to be getting paid a percentage of every single referral that you make through your blog articles. And the best part about this method is that you're not just going to be opening up one income stream for yourself, but two, because you'll be getting paid for your affiliate links and you'll also be getting paid through the blogging platform based on how many views you get to your blog. So to start, we need to find a high quality product or service that is worth promoting. Ideally, you want to look out for two key things. You want the product or service to be very, very high quality, because if not, you're going to get a whole bunch of chargebacks or you might not even make any sales in the first place. And you also want to find a product that offers higher commissions. Realistically, if you want to get to $5,000 to $10,000 every single month, you're not going to get there by selling low ticket products, especially if you don't have a huge audience. It takes way less energy and effort to get to your income goals. So to find this good product, you can do a quick Google search on high paying affiliate programs. Fast track this whole process for you. I've already listed some of the top niches to look out for on the screen now. So there's gold, trading and investing, watches, private jets, hotels, and luxury car rentals. Some of the absolute best programs that have made me the most amount of money were actually related to the trading and investing niche, because they typically do offer higher commissions and they have pretty good incentives for affiliates. In fact, if you take a look at one of the affiliate marketing goats, Mike Vestil, his top video literally teaches you how to make money with Binance as a complete beginner without ever investing your own money. To this day, I would still class myself as a complete beginner in trading, but I have made a lot of money with it, purely off affiliate commissions. The program I've chosen to promote today is Accelerated Prop Group. Now, this is basically aimed at beginner traders where they get the opportunity to trade on funded accounts. Don't ask me what that means. I'm obviously not a trader. Right now, I'm on the affiliate section. So as you can see, I would get up to 20% commissions on every referral. I know quite a few of the other programs I've mentioned on this channel have been a little bit difficult for some of you to get into, because sometimes they require you to have a website or an existing audience. And usually you have to wait a while for approval before you can get into the other programs. So that's why I've chosen this one. And another perk that I know you guys are going to absolutely love is that you can get paid out within a week of earning your commission. Now, if you haven't made money with affiliate marketing before, you'll know that most affiliate programs take a month or even longer to pay you out. So this program right here is an absolute no-brainer. Because I already decided that I was going to be in the trading and investing niche for this method, I actually already made a custom funnel. By the time this video is out, the template and funnel are going to be fully customized for the program I've chosen. So if you want to copy this method, or maybe you want to reuse that template for something else, it's 100% free, and I've left it as the first link down in my description. I'll also leave the link for you to apply to the Accelerated Prop Group affiliate program. No, I'm not going to be making any money off you signing up as an affiliate. This is genuinely just a good program. Anyway, once you've created your account, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So you can go ahead and grab your custom link right here, and we can move into the next step, which is generating high quality articles with AI. Like I said at the start of this video, this entire method is literally done for you. So we're going to be using ChatGPT to create a bunch of articles that we can use to promote our affiliate links for this program. I'll leave the exact prompt in the description or in the pinned comment, but in short, the goal here is to get ChatGPT to produce an outline for the article, a brief introduction as the first paragraph, and an overview of the product or service that you've chosen to promote. This step is absolutely essential if you want to create high quality blogs, because if you ask ChatGPT to just write you a blog about trading and investing, it's just going to give you the most generic answer that everyone's probably receiving. Based off the prompt that I gave ChatGPT, it's given me a very solid article, and as you can see in step 5 of this blog, it's literally promoting the program for me. So I'm going to copy and paste this, and now we can move into the next step, which is one of the most crucial steps. Trust me, if you skip this, your article is going to flag up as AI and then you won't be able to make any money. Once you've copied your blog article, you're going to head over to undetectable.ai. If you've been with me for a while, you'll know that I've been recommending Undetectable AI for a hot minute now. This is basically an AI rewriter tool that actually works. It's one of the only ones left that works. So if you've ever used Spinbot and Quillbot, they no longer work. So trust me when I say Undetectable AI is where it's at. Before we go over to Undetectable AI, I'm going to quickly head over to CopyLeak. Now this right here is an AI detector tool, and you'll be able to paste any body of text to see if it's been written by AI. You can see that this entire article has been flagged up as AI content. Now let's head over to Undetectable AI, and we're going to paste the entire ChatGPT blog into this. Now we're going to copy this output, and we're going to see if CopyLeaks detects it as AI. And as you can see, it's come back as human text. This article is now ready to be posted, so we're going to move into the next step, which is actually uploading the blog. As I said at the start of this video, video, this is a very lazy and easy method. So you don't need to set up your own website to start blogging. That takes a long time, and if I take a wild guess, I'm gonna assume you're not an expert website designer. So the next best thing is medium.com. This website is not only gonna allow us to tap into crazy amounts of organic traffic for 100% free, which is ultimately gonna help us make those sweet commissions, it's also gonna allow us to make money from the views that we get to the blog articles. So of course, the first thing you'll need to do is create your account on Medium. This is very easy. You can literally sign up with your Google account if you have one. Once you've logged into Medium, this is what the backend is gonna look like. So you're gonna head over to Write, and now you can paste your AI generated article. This is what the article is looking like so far. So what you wanna do is just go in and let's say remove like the hashtag, make the text bold or turn it into a subheading, and then you can also add some images. I'm gonna go ahead and customize my blog, and then I'll be right back with the final step. So this right here is what my blog is looking like. As you can see, I made everything bold and I added some images, and the only thing that's left is to add my affiliate links to make sure that I can start making those commissions. So if you haven't already grabbed the free landing page and funnel, which I highly recommend, what you're gonna do is go through the blog, and wherever the name of the program that you've chosen comes up, you're gonna go ahead and highlight it, hyperlink, and then add your affiliate link. So what you'll do when you have your template is you're gonna click on this little button here, and you're gonna add your own custom affiliate link here. Then all you have to do is save it. Please make sure that you add your custom affiliate link, because if not, you're not gonna make any money. So just double check. So grab your custom affiliate link and paste it, and then save the page. Now you have a landing page set up. So when the traffic from Medium heads over to the link, they're gonna have a sequence of emails that's gonna be sent to them to try and upsell them. This system is literally designed to do the outreach for you to make sure that you don't miss out on back-end sales. And at the same time, you're gonna be growing your very own list of people that you can always remarket to. Now for the absolute final step, you're gonna go through your blog article and you're gonna find wherever the name of the product that you're promoting shows up. So in my case, it's APG, or Accelerated Prop Group. So everywhere I see it in the blog, I'm gonna select it and I'm gonna hyperlink. Inside this hyperlink is where we're gonna paste the link for our landing page. Go ahead and do that throughout the whole blog. And when you're done, you can go ahead and publish this to your Medium account. Now your blog is officially monetized. You have your affiliate links, and Medium is also gonna pay you based on how many thousands of views you get to your blog. So that's exactly why I want to quickly touch on a bonus step, which is to boost your article with external traffic. Now, like I said, you could have stopped at the last step and just let Medium push out your articles organically, but over here we like to go the extra mile to secure that bag. So what you're going to do is create pins to post on Pinterest that point people to your blog. This is going to 10x your traffic and help you get closer to your monthly income goals. Pinterest has almost 500 million monthly users, so trust me when I say it's one of the best forms of free traffic that you can get right now. Pinterest is exactly how a large percentage of bloggers gain most of their traffic to their blogs, and that's what helps them rank on Google, which gets more eyes to their content and of course more money. And before you panic, it's super simple. So you can do this by heading over to canva.com, and on here you can scroll through some of the pre-made Pinterest pin templates until you find one that suits your product or service. So this one right here is perfect because it's already about trading. All you have to do is change the text and the colors and the design a little bit to make it unique, and when you post it to your Pinterest, you're just going to add the destination URL as the blog that you're linking to. When it comes to this method, consistency really is king. Remember that the more you post, the more opportunities you give yourself of going viral and hitting the first page of Google search. This obviously means more eyes to your blogs, more clicks to your links, and of course more affiliate commissions. Personally, I recommend that you post at least 3 to 5 blog articles on Medium a week and at least 2 to 3 Pinterest pins a day, because they literally take you under 10 minutes to batch create and post. 90% of this method has literally been done for you, so you have absolutely no excuse not to be making money with this right now. And that concludes this method. You have all of the tools and knowledge to build an incredible stream of income for yourself that, to be honest, takes little to no work on your end. If you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button and let me know down in the comments if there's any other videos that you'd like to see from me. Best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey, and I'll catch you in the next one.